ISBA as well as all the startups. Thank you for giving this opportunity to represent HDFC Bank to startup ecosystem of SVNIT. ISBA is always partner with the HDFC Bank for startup ecosystem and to help the startups pan India basis. So this is for the first time I'm interacting with SVNIT ecosystem and startups associated with the SVNIT. Uh, I'm taking care of Gujarat as well as Central India for the startup program of HDFC Bank. I'm based in Ahmedabad. So hopefully, once the situation will normalize, we meet physically at your SVNIT office, and it gives me the chance to meet you in person to all the startups associated with your institute. And now, let us begin with the what HDFC Bank is doing for the startups, right? So basically, HDFC Bank has started a program called the Smart Up for the startups. Can I share this? Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. You are audible.
Yeah. Is it visible to all? Hello.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
visible.
Okay. Smart Up is the program what HDFC Bank has designed for the startups and the startup ecosystem. In fact, in line with the government policy from 2016, the Smarter program has been started by HDFC Bank. It was on a small, it was a small team initially when we have started this program in 2016. But as we know that the government is focusing more on the startups and making India ecosystem. So bank has decided to uh, go heavily to support the Make in India program of the central government as well as to support the startup of to support the startup in a better manner. So what is in our portfolio? We have 67 dedicated startup zones across 30 key cities in country. Basically, the startup zones are specially designed to support the ecosystem of the startup at our branch level. So we have dedicated 67 such branches for the startups across India. Now, what is the potential? That is 40,000 startup potential available with us. We are targeting this 40,000 startups of India. Up till now, we have onboarded 15,000 plus startups on our system, pan India basis, out of which the 7,000 startups are associated with the DPIIT. Now, so what is SmartUp program? The SmartUp program is envisaged to assist startups achieving their goals with the smart financial tools, smart advisory services, and alliance partnerships. Now, if we talk about the banking product, we do have two products, so SmartUp Alpha and SmartUp Max. SmartUp Alpha is the variant which is available to the startups which are in the initial stage, which do not have a sufficient fund to maintain into the account. So it's a 1 year zero balance account. We can say that we are not charging as any single rupee for non-maintenance of balance in this account. Another account is a SmartUp Max, which is for the startups who are already established into the market and having received fund from the venture capitalist or a regular business income from their startups. Now, what bundle services we are offering with these products? First is the Forex advisory. So whosoever startups receiving fund from the abroad, we have a special division for the advisory on the Forex sites. We are also giving special rates on the Forex, inward Forex as well as outward Forex transactions. Payment and collection services such as the payment gateways, POS machines, AMI machines, mobile solutions. We have special design rates for the startups, which is very lower as compared to the normal customers. We also provide nodal accounts with this. The startups who are having e-commerce platform, they require the nodal accounts. Another is the corporate salary for the startup employees. Startups who are having employees, irrespective of the number of the employees, we are giving them corporate salary accounts. So it's helpful to employees of the startup also. It's a zero balance account to the employees of the startups. Now, as we say that customized banking, the 15,000 plus startups are onboarded and enjoying our customized banking facilities. We have alliance partnerships, the discount ranging from 20% to 50% for the HDFC Bank startups for their business supports. We have an e-commerce platform, SmartBuy. It's a one-stop solution for the customers of HDFC Bank credit cards. The B2C startups can utilize this facility. Corporate Connect, which is a virtual platform, and we had a plan to launch in the December 2020, but due to some technical reasons, it will be launched by this March end. Coach is a platform where we are associating with the Mighty for this platform, and it's a open platform for pan-India startups where our corporate clients will keep their problems, and any startup can give the solution for that problems. We are also arranging HNI meets, but due to the pandemic, we are currently conducting only virtual investor meets. The CSR activities, we on this 9th February, we have launched the CSR portal, and under which we are going to give the grants to edutech startups as well as the social impact startups through the 9 CSR partners pan-India basis. We are also doing equity investments. We are also providing pre-approved loans to the startups associated with us. 40 plus senior officials are mentoring the startups in different categories, different subjects. These senior officials are the top executives of our different verticals. It's a totally free of cost. As you have seen that customized banking, the corporate salary offerings to the startups without a minimum number of employees in the organization. We are also providing e-net banking, which is a small bank at your desktop. Foreign trade remittances services, payment gateway collections solutions, nodal account services. Alliance partners has already communicated that we are providing services on advisory, co-working spaces, public relations, digital marketing services, content writing, web services, HR solutions, and we are keep on increasing this aligned partners in our portfolio. Now coming on the SmartBuy. SmartBuy is an e-commerce platform. You all must have seen that e-commerce platform, which is specially designed for the HDFC Bank credit card customers in 2016, and Flipkart, Amazon, Make My Trip, these big companies are also a part of this SmartBuy platform. So for B2C startups, we are listing that startups without any charge on this SmartBuy platform, and they can showcase their product or services to our HDFC Bank credit card, debit card customers without any charge. We have a Corporate Connect. It's a B2B startups by connecting them to our customers for their co-creation and innovation needs. So presently this program is on offline mode, and we are going to launch by this March end into the Mighty platform with the help of the Mighty. Coach, as I already mentioned to you, it's a innovation platform for the startups collaborate, co-create, and innovate around specific focus areas. Under the brand Coach, HDFC Bank will organize a series of open innovative challenges wherein startups, professionals, and students can participate. ideate innovative solutions created for a larger impact. HNI meets. We have conducted 6 HNI meets up till October 20, and which 81 startups participated in front of 335 HNI customers across Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Jaipur, Kanpur, and Bangalore. CSR program, we have already started the CSR program in this month on 9th February, and it will the application we are accepting till 16th February, that is for tomorrow. Then the startups will be evaluated by the team, and then we'll decide whom to give the grants. Equity investments, the bank launched its earliest state startup funding initiative in 2018. We are focusing right now on edutech as well as social impact startup for equity funding also. The second cohort of the 30 startups are underway, and next cohort will be going to open in January 2021, but due to some technical reasons, it will be by the February end. We are also providing pre-approved loans. Whosoever startups are banking with us, we are providing a pre-approved loans basis on their transactions without any documentation and any collaterals. So it's a very good opportunity for the startups for getting the funds without any collateral or the property mortgaging. We are also providing mentoring, as stated earlier. 40 plus executives are working as a mentors. It's an initiative where a senior management from the bank provide guidance and hold startups free of cost. 200 plus startups have registered online for the mentorship programs. Digital innovation summits, in order to create a platform to encourage innovations in the financial technology fintech space. HDFC Bank is also a digital innovation summit. The bank has conducted various editions of DIS across Mumbai, Indore, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Mohali, Hyderabad, and around 200 startups. Smartup portal, which is available on the HDFC Bank site, where you can visit the Smartup portal and find out what all services we are providing to the startups, what facilities startups can avail by banking with HDFC Bank. That is, you can visit on www.hdfcbank.com/smartup, SMARTUP. Right. So these are our partners. I am Ahmedabad. I am Indore, Bates Pilani, T-Hub, ISBA, National Institute of Design is also our partner. The strategic partners are Mighty Startup, BSC, Kerala Startup Missions. We are the only bank facilitate partnership with the intermediaries like merchant banker, CA and lawyer to enable startup to listing on BSC. We have strategic partners like Government of Maharashtra, Odisha government, Government of Rajasthan, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and many more government MOUs are in line. So thank you very much for giving your time and opportunity to present the HDFC Bank Smartup program to you. These are the alliance partners: ClearTax, Tax2Win, GPK, who provide the discounted services to the startups. And our supported startups are Blink, Prozok, ThinkZone.
Thank you, Parthiv.
Thank you.
Any startups would like to ask any questions? So, Parthiv, we have
Hello.
one question. Yeah, Nikhil, please.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. Sir, I had a query. You told about the pre-approved loan without any collateral. So can you please elaborate more about it? What are the interest rate and what are the other requirements?
See, pre-approved loans are of two types. One is of secured and unsecured. Unsecured loans, we call it business loans, which is available as per the transactions done by the startups in their account. In unsecured loan, the interest rate may vary from 16% to 20%, depends on the uh, offer which is generated by the system. So it's a reducing interest rate, but it's vary from case to case.
Okay, sir, I'm looking for a loan with a work order. So basically, I'm having the work order and I want to take a loan on that work order. So will it be count as secured loan?
What is your product?
Sir, we have a smart city domain product.
Okay. See, we for manufacturing unit, we are having this facility that on basis of the work orders, we provide
Okay.
the loans.
Okay.
You can send me your project report. We
Sure.
can go through it and then can decide on case to case basis.
Sure. Thank you.
So regarding this CSR funds to startup, you mentioned that the deadline is 16th February.
Yes, we have
Okay,
launched on 9th February, and
right.
for registering on that platform is 16th February is the last date.
Okay. So say we have an edtech startup with us. Dishant, if you have any questions regarding the same, so we have to go to the HDFC's portal, right, to do the registration, or will you be sharing the details with us?
Yeah, I will WhatsApp you the link. You can share it with your EduTech and social impact startups. They
Okay,
can
great.
register on that link, and then further decision will be taken by the committee.
Okay, thank you.
Any more question?
I think there is one
Yeah,
question.
yeah. One more startup is there. He's joining. Yes, ma'am. You can carry on with your question till now.
No, I don't have a question. I was just thinking whether Dishant is going to join again or not for the question.
No, no, he just called me that he had dropped off.
Yeah, he is there.
Hello.
Yes, Dishant, go ahead. Ask your question.
Yeah. So basically, what I was asking was with respect to the HNI meets as well. You mentioned that you have conducted about 6 of them so far, and I assume that these are mostly offline meets. Are there any plans of conducting them, Bhugat, or in an online setup sometime?
Dishant, we have planned for arranging HNI meets, but from next financial year for this February and March, we are not conducting any HNI meet because all the HNI meets, 6 HNI meets we have conducted, that is virtual HNI meets in this financial years.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, it's not like we will not organize the physical one, but if the time and situation permits, we will also arrange the physical HNI meets. Earlier, we used to do it, but due to this pandemic, we have changed the mode from physical to the virtual meet. So, if you are having a set of the startups and you want to arrange a HNI meet, then we can do with our Surat-based HNIs for your
Right.
startups.
And like, what is the process that involves in this particular task?
See, we all only provide a platform where we can uh, the startup can present that company or the project in front of the HNI customers of the HDFC Bank, and whosoever HNI wants to invest in the startup, they will directly contacting the startups. The bank has no role to play thereafter.
Got it. Got it. All right.
I think everyone has asked their questions. Thank you, Patil, for joining and giving us this information. We hope that we can have a synergy between us soon, and hopefully, few of our startups can, leverage the benefits that SDFC is providing. Thank you so much for this really informative session.
Thank you, Kau. Thank you, Ms. Sweta. Thank you all of you to giving this opportunity to present HDFC Bank.
Hi, Mr. Gandhi, Mr. Bhatt, good morning. Thank you. I did not interrupt in the beginning or in between. So thank you very much for the session. And Mr. Gandhi, I think there are very few startups here. So in case there are more, we'll keep you informed. And for the next session also,